Alright guys, it's a bit warm in the house today, so I thought I'd start the Rheem up. So, I think it might come on right now. So, and there goes the air handler. Alright, I heard refrigerant go through the system, so let's go outside. I had a second camera set up outdoors. It's still, I don't know. Yeah, it stopped recording, but oh well. And there goes the Rheem, running in cool mode for the first time, to be honest. It's kind of warm. Getting there. I put this piece of wood on here. It's from like little shelves. I accidentally broke it. There's the other piece there. I accidentally broke it and I didn't find a use for it, so I put it there. And that keeps it so the suction line doesn't get hit with sunlight. This thing's just nice. Oh. It's doing pretty good though. Seem to be fulfill the discharge heat from the compressor.